Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to cool down a bit your A2000 cards. This one is not replaced, original thermal pads. This one is no-name thermal pad, just like Thermalright Odyssey. Also, I've tried to use these copper pads and result is the same like with this no-name 1.5 millimeter thick thermal pads. And for GPU I'm using TF8 with Thermalright, and highly recommend to replace them because temperature in facility where is these cards are 32 degrees and memory is not so hot as with original pads. So have fun.